Katie, did you turn on your camera, start recording, set it inside the car, get out of the car, get back into the car, and then sit down? Yeah. I couldn't think of a video this week, and I was watching YouTube videos, as I always do, to try and get inspiration, but then I always just end up down a black hole of YouTube videos, and I never get anything done. I was watching Emma Chamberlain's video about when she dyed her hair, and I was like, hey, that's a really cute hair color. That's what I'm gonna do this week. I'm going to literally dye my hair the exact same color Emma Chamberlain did. So watch out, Emma Chamberlain. I am coming for your brand. Alright, good news. I got it. It's literally the same one from her video. Hello. Oh, the second I said stop crinkling the bag, you crinkled back. So, this is the color. My mom's gonna do it because I don't want to completely mess it up. I'm just gonna let her mess it up.
Again, she's my canvas.
Pop this baby open. Come on.
Need some help?
Alright, we got conditioner. This thing. Oh, there's numbers. That's nice.
Numbers are
It's
good.
dummy proof. Alright, so we combined the first two bottles. She's shaking it. Shake it. This is not about you. It's literally about me. Make 1/4 inch parting throughout your dry, unwashed hair. Oh, that's as if you're touching up the roots. I can't even read.
I am not responsible for how this comes out. She's making me do this under duress.
I think it's scary how like not nervous I am.
What's the worst thing that could happen?
I don't know, it's permanent hair color. I can go bald. If my face dyed, I'm suing you. Oh, all over my face.
Flip down.
Ah!
What?
Oh, this smells.
This does smell.
Fun fact, when I was, how old was I when I got a perm?
Oh God. I don't know. I think you got your hair dyed first.
I did. How old was I then?
I think I let you do things too early.
You did, for sure. You let me get a perm. Crisis averted on the face dyeing. We used coconut oil. I have about 10 minutes left on this hair dye, and I swear to God, if my hair has fallen out, I'm just gonna shave my whole head. I'm just gonna start over. Right, so we just washed out. Why is this terrible lighting? We just washed out the stuff. What am I gonna say? That's probably enough. So, it's dark. It looks a lot more black than it said on the container. I love how you're just watching me. Let's see if outside makes it look any different. Still black. It'll probably fade after a few washes. You're definitely gonna notice less when my hair is greasy, which will be so good. Also, another thing I should have took into consideration was I haven't dyed my hair in so long that this length is probably all virgin hair. So obviously why is everyone driving right now? Everyone says, oh my God, you're having a drag race. Hair color sticks more to virgin hair. I love that this mom behind me is judging me. I don't know if this is making a lot of sound. These are balanced on CDs, so I don't know if you can hear the rumbling of them. So I was editing this video and I was like, oh, there's no outro. Okay, I'll film myself driving to get coffee because that's what Emma Chamberlain would do. I am sweating so bad. It's 2 days later. I washed it. I made sure to wash it like at least 24 hours after it was dyed. It's cheap drugstore hair dye. It'll fade after I wash it once. It's still black. I use terrible shampoo. I use the cheapest kind. Jonathan from Queer Eye says you're not supposed to use that. And guess what? I still do, Jonathan. I'm sorry. I know you're disappointed in me. It's black and I don't care. It's just hair. I have no stop sign. You thought. Hi, can I get a venti iced vanilla latte with soy milk?
There you go. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. thanks so much for watching this video and getting this far in it. If you haven't already subscribed, tell your friends to subscribe, make them tell their friends to subscribe, make them tell everyone they know subscribe, and then everyone in the world will be subscribed to me. Thanks. It's hot.